Should I do the introduction? Could I do that? All right, so we got to give it up for the lady of the hour who put this all together. El Spot's own Empress Lanice, come through real quick. Come through real quick, queen. You know what I mean? We're going to get into the next segment of it. I'm going to let the queen take it over from here.
All right, go ahead, take a quick break. Here you go. First, I want to say thank you, everyone, for coming out tonight. Like I told everyone earlier, this is the final concert by the L Spot, even though a lot of you guys are trying to talk me out of it. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet tonight, so there's one special performance that I'm so nervous about right now. So last year, I was going through some stuff, and I decided to do everything that I wanted to achieve in life. And one of those things was songwriting. I can't sing. I can't rap. Well, I got a little something, but I ain't gonna do that. That kind of rhymed, right? But so there's this song that I wrote, and I was blessed to have Islima Songbird, who you guys got to see earlier tonight, sing for me. I was blessed to have Cameron J, who you saw perform tonight as well, rap for me. And we got a little special remix that we're gonna perform tonight, and you guys will get to hear that. You gonna find out. And I want to give a special shout out to the person who created this track, who was the only producer that said, yes, I will produce a beat for a publicist. And I'm gonna shout him out, The Catalyst, also known as Ricardo. So, to get it on, because I know we over time right now, Bugs, drop it.
Music. You gon' love this.
I can't believe where I'm at now. I dreamt about this for a while. I knew I'd be a superstar. Didn't think I was gonna make it far. Been through trials and tribulations. Almost lost faith, thought I wouldn't make it. But my God is the greatest. And now it's my time to shine and be fearless. Now it's my time to shine and be fearless. Now it's my time to shine and be fearless. Living my life, reclaiming my time, taking what's mine. Come on, now watch me work. Now watch me work.
Hands up.
Now watch me work.
Camera, action.
Now watch me work.
I'm a star, I shine way brighter. Everything lit, yeah, they calling me a lighter. Came out swinging cause I'm known to be a fighter. Gifted with the words, so I'm known to be a writer. I done came a long way. Trip to the top and I came here to stay. Ain't worried about y'all cause today I'm feeling fearless. If you ain't showing love, I can care less. I can move through a crowd with a smile on. Got a bank full of money, I'm a pile on. So it's lights, camera, action cause I'm here. Yeah, net worth bringing in a new year. Hands up, everybody celebrate. Homie making big moves like a heavyweight. Flawless, how we rocking the jewels. Front page of the time if you talking the news.
Now watch me work.
Hey, hands up, hands up.
Now watch me work.
Hey, Arnstar. Now watch me work.
Hey, 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 hey. Now watch me work.
Hey yo, look in my eyes, you see pure gold. I renew my mind and seen the world sold. Not everything is truth that was once told. Straighten I was once fold, buyback was once sold. Had to make it through the trials and lessons till I figured out my worth through my value essence. A dream is a goal, is a mission. Gotta just to shorten the distance.
Ain't no way I'm lost on my path.
No
time to cry over the past.
Just know that the vision getting clearer on the road to success. I'm checking on my mirrors. Much love to the 9 to 5s, but I got a different hustle, it's a grind to shine. With the powers of the Most High God, see me. Movie on Netflix, show on TV. Watch me.
Now watch me work. Now watch me work.
Camera,
hey, 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 hey.
Now watch it work. Hey,
Now watch
now watch
me
it work.
work.
Hey, now watch it work. Hey, now
Go.
watch it work. Turn up, mommy.
Now watch
Turn
me
up,
work.
turn up, mommy.
Hey,
Turn up,
hey,
mommy. Watch it work.
hey.
Now watch
Now
it work.
watch me
Hey,
work.
now watch it work.
Ha,
Now watch it
ha,
work. Ho.
ha.
Go
Hey.
turn up, mommy.
Now watch
Turn
me
up.
work. Now watch me work. Now watch me work. Hey, now watch me work. Now watch me work. Yeah, now watch me work. Now watch me work. Hey, now watch me work. Hey, now watch me work. Hey, yeah. Now watch me work.
Thank you guys, and it's a wrap.
Thank you for coming out. God bless you. Good night. Shit.